Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Microsoft Word tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to show line numbers in Word. This is actually quite simple. First I open Microsoft Word and I already have a large amount of text here but no line numbers, so that I can't give someone else precise information about errors in a particular line. To do this I click on the Layout tab and find the line numbers here. Now I have to select how I want to use these line numbers. For example, continuous for the entire document, or new line numbers for each page or selection. If necessary, I can also set here that no line numbers are displayed in the current paragraph. Let's use continuous line numbers, click on them, and my document is already numbered. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.